So we went to the Disney character warehouse, and literally there were so many pins, but you know, hashtag we have to pay bills, so we couldn't buy them all, but we did buy 2 of each kind, and we got these Vinylmation Park stars with a Z, and they were 99 cents. They were originally $18.95, and they were 99 cents. So we're gonna unbox all 12 of these today. I'm so excited. I really hope we don't get doubles.
I got mine.
Well, if someone wants a double, comment on this video, and we'll send you one.
Send you a double.
Okay, I'm gonna open these little friends first. These are the Nightmare Before, not the Nightmare Before
Christmas Carol.
Christmas Carol. I get so excited. I think they have nightmares, and Scrooge has nightmares, and that's what happens. Christmas Carol, Scrooge time, and we're gonna open them. This is what the back looks like.
I am the person from the game show.
Vanna White.
Yeah.
Oh.
These are the easy open containers. Some of them are easy. You just like pull it. And don't use your teeth, kids. Okay. Oh.
Oh, I got the
So
I
what it
got
looks like.
another one of the ghosts.
That is.
The future.
Oh. It's a lady duck.
It's Donald Duck's wife.
Mary Duck.
That's
I don't. That's
I
not
don't think
Mary.
that's her name.
That's not.
I got weird Jiminy Cricket guy.
Jiminy Cricket guy.
Jiminy Cricket as a ghost. That is definitely a ghost. Look at his skin color.
No. You know what?
I'm no ghost expert. All right, now we're gonna open the real Nightmare Before Christmas.
I'm open these 2.
And they are a 9-pin collection. Each box only has 2, so I'm sure we will not obviously collect all of these. Ooh, this is freaky. I don't know, that's scary me. That's scary me. It scared me so much I couldn't talk. You might have a disease now. Oh, you got Jack! But he doesn't have a pin on the back.
I gotta see it. I gotta see it.
Hey, look, it has him as Halloween and then him as the Christmas. I got Jack
Gosh, that was a good one. I got a double. Dang it. That's how the cookie crumbles. Okay.
We got 2 of the same.
Okay, if you got the 2 of those, then we're going to trade.
Oh, it's Jack.
Okay, they're obviously preset. I'll take the one with no pin. You
Okay.
can have that one.
So you don't stab yourself.
Here, look, now we have the same set. Alright, here's Sally and Jack.
Okay, Mom, your prediction was right.
I know. So the last one we have, Mr. Potato Head Mystery Collection, is also a 9-pin set. He's really cute.
You can see it.
So if you look closely, these are all Disney rides. Okay. Oh, Jordan, it's you as a potato head.
Oh, the director.
The director.
He's got
You
a
know what this is
clapperboard.
from?
The Great Movie Ride.
That's right. Oh, I'm so glad we got you. Oh, okay. Look, a balloon guy. Well, this is one of the people from...
The train track.
Yeah, the train conductor. That's adorable. One of the balloon people on Main Street. Okay, we have one more.
The
Davy
pioneer.
Crockett, King of the Wild Frontier. It's literally not the tune. Pop-Up would know it. Pop-Up would know that tune.
Papa knows
Okay.
every song.
Now it's time for our extra Vinylmation time.
I marked mine.
Like I said before, these were $18.95 originally. We asked if we could just buy the whole case. They said yes. We paid 99 cents a piece for these. I'm so nervous right now. Hello, Mr. Potato Head. Mr. Potato Head.
Dapper Dan.
He's a Dapper Dan. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. What
It's
is
like
that?
a robot.
You know what the robot's from? Hold on, let me think.
Oh.
Buzz Lightyear?
No. All right, the next one. That's from Buzz Lightyear. That's the mystery.
Scary dude. Mystery found.
He is from Buzz Lightyear. He's a lava monster. Oh, no, never mind. Hold on. Journey to the Center of the Earth attraction. It's in Tokyo Disney Resort. But he looks like one of the guys from
That looks like a Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear.
He looks like Buzz Lightyear's father.
Yep.
A dapper tan. He's so cute.
So dapper.
He's my fave. Okay. All right. This is the Phantom from Disney
Oh, the
Paris. Dinosaur.
So cute.
He's creepy.
You can roll a copycat.
I do like him.
What was this spice?
You know I'm scared of dinosaurs, but I don't hate him because it looks like he has no brain, which means he can't eat me.
They chopped his brain out.
Yep.
Dinosaur.
That's how I like my dinosaurs. With no brain. Oh god. My feet are old. What is this? Chinese friend. Pleasure Island, the Adventurers Club.
We never went there.
I don't even know what it is.
No clue. Is that Walt Disney World? Guess we'll have to go check it out.
Oh,
It's a small world!
and
With her pink.
That's
how they move. I'm not opening him because he's so
Repeat,
cute.
repeat.
He's not
The
wrong.
true song that never ends.
He's not wrong. The dog from Pirates of the Caribbean!
But he's from
That's who you wanted. Wait, we got a special one.
What's that?
Shut up. Okay, so it came with this. He's a variant.
I see this.
Alright, the reason is because he's at the Disneyland Resort and Walt Disney World. He's also at the Tokyo Disney
And
Resort
Paris.
and Disneyland Paris.
Disney reindeer.
What I wanted. The Phantom.
A Christmas family parade, Disneyland. I'm sorry.
A dancing reindeer, Christmas fantasy parade, Disneyland Park, Disneyland Resort. Oh, it's for Mickey's Once Upon a Time parade. Oh, hello, little tiny robot friend. Other robot friend. What is she? SMRT1 Communicore, Epcot Walt Disneyland Resort, Disney World Resort, 1982 to 1994. Okay, this does not want to open.
Last one.
But it is a friend that we haven't had before. Who are you? Did we get the whole set? It's Disney's Typhoon Lagoon Water Park. Very cute.
So we got all that one.
Well,
not
we
kinda
got all of
special.
them except for the Phantom.
Well,
Oh,
we're
you
gonna have
did get the Phantom.
No, I
to-
didn't.
we got the Phantom.
We did?
Yeah, we opened the Phantom.
We got that.
Did I black
We got the
out?
regular Phantom. We didn't get the glow Phantom.
Did I black out? So we
Yeah.
got every single one of them except for the one that Connor has?
And the glow Phantom, the special edition.
So when Connor wanted that one, he grabbed it out of this and I said, let's just buy the whole case. And I took one from the other case and put it in here.
Right in here.
I bet the whole set was in this case and I gave it to you.
I'll trade you.
And now you have ruined your box. The box is trash.
So,
We'll trade later.
because we need to figure out tomorrow
Alright,
if
so-
they have
Yeah,
more of them.
which hopefully they'll have more. And if they do, we're gonna go buy them all. Cause what's $12 more? And my happiness.
Mom,